Okay, hey everybody, this is Mr. Roche. We are here with Java and we are doing the Flappy Lion. And look at this. The lion is jumping. Okay. And there really wasn't much wrong with whatever was going on in class. But the only thing that we should do is I made 3 changes which I think will help. Okay. And I guess what I'm hoping is that you guys can send me a video that looks like your lion is jumping, okay, and hitting the space bar. But the only thing that really happened was this. Let me see. In the lion class, you needed to make a kind of a much bigger number for this, okay? So what I did officially first time I did this is I just set this to 25. And so it's like 25 times gravity. And I guess that sort of makes sense because the frame rate's so high. And so when you do this and you hit it, he flies out of the room. Okay. That's one change. Okay. There's two other changes. Okay. So first off, find jump in lion and add a bigger number. I'm going to stick with 15, but if you stick a bigger number, it'll work. Second thing I did was in the animate function or method, you want to add a line that will set the speed to 0, because if you don't do this, what happens is if when he goes up, he sort of doesn't jump for a while because he's still dealing with the fact that he's going down in the ground. I'm making a video. So see what happens here. So it takes him a while to go up, and then he'll fall down, and he's really going down negatively. So here he comes, eventually. There he is. Okay, and then see when you try to jump him again, he won't do it. Okay, like that. That's sort of a problem. But we can fix that by just making sure that when he hits the ground, his y speed is 0. So then when you run this, it will go like this. So he goes up, and then he goes up, and he goes up, and that's good. Okay. And then the last thing I did for this to help out the movement of it is I moved the in animate we changed the speed and then set his location, and what I want to do is set his location first and change the speed. So I'm going to wipe this out basically and just move it up here. This is the exact same line, it's just in a different place. Okay, so if you do that, then he's sort of more responsive, or she's more responsive, so that's good. And that's it. So if you can make those changes and show me that your line is working, that would be great. And then we can go on to make the game. Okay? So there he is. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.